Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In previous class, we have completed notes, right, children, for lesson 8. Now, today, open your volume 2 books, page number 7. We are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is articles. In previous classes also, you have learned, children. In second class, in first class also, you will have these articles. Okay, in brief manner, in this lesson, we are going to learn. First, PEP activity is there, children. Definite article the we are learning. Fill in the blanks with a and an in the given bracket. See, children, first of all, how many articles are there? Yes, 3. What are they? An, a, the. Right? A and the. And vowels, how many vowels we are having? Yes, the English alphabet divided into 2 parts, children. Those are A, E, I, O, U, vowels and consonants. Okay, A, E, I, O, U and remaining letters left over B, C, D, F, G and so on till Z. ఓకే యాక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ AEIOU. ఈ 5 పక్కకు తీసేస్తే మిగిలిన లెటర్స్ అన్ని కాన్సోనెంట్స్ అండ్ దీస్ 5 ఆర్ ది వోవెల్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, అండ్ హియర్ we are having 3 articles an, a, the, and where we will use an and where we will use a, children? Yes, you already know that when the word gets the vowel sound, these letters sound, if it is getting, we will keep an, and if consonant sound we get, we will keep this a for singular only, children. Okay, that's why these can be called as indefinite articles, because a and an we will use before the singular nouns only. Okay, now see, Helen was an unruly child. Annie Sullivan, a young teacher, arrived at Helen's house. Helen communicated by arranging words in a frame. Helen was struck by a severe illness at an early age. The Girl Who Beat All Odds is a biography of Helen Keller. Okay, children? See now, like this you have learnt, and I already have told a and an are the indefinite articles and the is definite article. And where we will use the, children? We use the when we refer to something or when we talk about something that one has unique features. Okay, and when it was mentioned already, దేని గురించి అన్న స్పెషల్గా చెప్పడానికి లేదన్నా జరిగిపోయిన దానికోసం చెప్పడానికి we will use the and in front of the adjectives of superlative, children. In before lesson we have learned adjectives, comparison of degrees of comparison we have learned, isn't it? What we have learned, children? Hot, hotter, hottest. The last one, hottest, can be called as superlative degree of adjective, isn't it? There in front of that also we will use this definite article the, children. Now turn the page. Here in page number 8, see, the sun is shining brightly. The Taj Mahal is one of the world's wonder. To refer to objects that are unique or one of a kind. Okay, when the objects are unique, okay, unique means special. Okay, when there we will use the. And I am reading the funniest chapter of the book. My room is the cleanest in the house. Okay, this one also describing words, children. Adjectives means describing words. In front of the, before the describing words, we will keep this the definite article. Now see, children, down, underline the definite article and circle the common noun it refers to in each sentence. One is done for you. Okay, here the, children, we can use in front of singular or plural. Okay, no problem. But a and an we will use in front of only singular nouns. Now, Sonu is the smartest boy in the class. The is the article and boy is the common noun. Prakash is the best singer in class. The is definite article and singer. Roma has read the book on Mahatma Gandhi. Now, the and underline the and circle the book. Sarah likes the flowers in my garden. Okay, underline the and flowers, circle. The cup is half full with tea. The underline and circle the cup. Okay, children. Now open your companion book, children. Open companion, page number 48. Choose the correct articles A and D to complete this letter. Okay, we have to choose the correct articles to complete this letter. Dear grandma, today is dash important day for me. Important. Vowel sound or consonant sound, children? Is there any adjective is there or any unique thing is there? No. This is vowel sound. Important. And today is an important day for me. I am turning 9. My parents and I are going to visit dash school. Dash school. Is school is a unique nature, children? No, common only. And here no vowel sound also. So we have to keep a school for the disabled. My mother tells me 50 children live there. Dash school is located near my house. Dash school, already I told, if it is repeated and if you want to highlight that word, we have to use definite article. That means here we have to write the. This school is located near my house. I am going to take some things for them. Okay. Dash egg cake. Dash egg cake means, yes, an egg cake. Dash toy for each child. A toy for each child. Dash dress for each of the girls. A dress for each of the girls and a t-shirt each for the boys. I hope dash children will like the gifts. I hope the children will like the gifts. I am excited about meeting you during the summer holidays. Yours affectionately. Okay, I am writing. You write your name, children. I am writing this girl's name, Ananya. Reminding you, write your name here and complete this letter, children. Okay, now you got the idea. Before the consonant sound, you have to keep a. Before the vowel sound, you have to keep an. And if it is any unique thing or describing word or repeated noun, you have to write the definite article the. And in next page, children, 49th page, I am giving homework. This one, 7C homework. You do it by yourself, children. Complete these sentences with the help of the articles A and the. Or is not the article, children. For in the title they have given A and or the. That means you have the choice. ఈ మూడాట్లతో ఫిల్ చేయాలి అని ఇచ్చారు. డోంట్ థింక్ దట్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో an article. Okay, A and the. Use these three and complete these 9 sentences. That is your homework. This is about today's English class, children. Thank you.